Hey, my name's Carson Baker from Baker Chevrolet, and I'm going to take a minute to show you how to use the navigation on your Chevrolet 2007 to 2011 model vehicles. This is anything that's a full-size Chevrolet, so that'll be Tahoe, Suburban, Avalanche, Silverado 1500, 2500, and 3500. This is actually a 2010 Tahoe hybrid that we are in, and I'll show you how to use the navigation. Right now we're started out on just the regular radio. We're going to click over here to go to navigation. Just hit the nav button, and that'll bring us up with just the map and where we're currently sitting. To enter in an address or to go somewhere, get directions, you hit the DEST, which is for destination, and it'll come up. The first thing you want to check and make sure is that your area is correct. So we're going to hit the map button, and if you'll look real close down here, we are in North Carolina, so we are in section US 10, and that is the one that is selected. If you're in another area, you would just hit that number to change it to get you in the right area. We're going to hit the back button to get us back to the original screen. We'll start at the top. If you have an address, you just go in here and you enter it. The first thing it asks for is your city, and you'll type in. We'll do the address that we're at, which is in Red Springs. So we're going to go to RED and then space, which is down at the left. And then it's going to give us some options as we narrow it down. So that'll be Red Springs, North Carolina. And then it's going to ask us for the street, and we are on 4th, East 4th Avenue. So we hit that, and we are 914. And we're going to hit go. We're already there, but destination is nearby. So it shows it right there. And if we're going to cancel anything out, we'll just hit destination, and at the top right it says cancel guidance. It'll ask you if you're sure. You just hit yes. We'll go back to destination again and go to points of interest. And if it's a business, you can also do this and hit phone, which is this option right here, and enter the phone number. And our phone number is 910-843-5168. And then we'll hit OK. And it says Baker Chevrolet Pontiac. Then if that's what we want to do, we can hit that. We can actually, when you highlight it, add it to the address book. We can call it using our OnStar phone, or we can have our complete position, or hit go, or see it on a map. I'm going to back out of this all the way, and we get back to points of interest again. And we'll just use we'll go to browse. Browse POI's points of interest. And you can choose between restaurants, automotive, any of these short ones, which are the most common ones used, or we can hit list all categories. Say we're just looking for an ATM. We'll just click the ATM button, and it'll search for the closest ones near us. Now it's come up, and it tells us over here to the right how far away each one is from us. If we're riding down the road, it'll adjust as we're going. Say we're heading a certain direction. We've already passed these three, or we know where we're going to. We'll go ahead and hit the Money Access Service. We can always add it to the address book. It'll give us the address, and then we can hit go. So right now it's searching. Gives us three options: the fastest, the shortest, or another route. But we're just going to hit start guidance.
And please proceed to the highlighted route. Then the route guidance will start.
And as soon as we come out of here, it tells us to take a left, and at that point voice activation will tell us which way to turn. That's not what we decided, that we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you something else. We're going to hit destination, and we can add a place to stop on the way. We can hit this button. It's called a turn list, and it'll tell us everything we need to do to get there, just so we're not caught off guard. Or you can also click avoid, and it'll take that and give us an alternate route just to get around that one road. And we're going to always be, if we hit something that we want to go back, you can hit the back button, and we will cancel guidance. Yes, we're sure. And we'll return back to the main menu. This is a short lesson on how to use the navigation. The best thing I can tell anybody is to use it a couple times. Watch this video several times if you need to. Or if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to call us at Baker Chevrolet at 910-843-5168, and we'll be happy to help you. But this is a short way of how to get you around. Thanks.